Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So on this video, I'm going to show you how to make a pumpkin flan. So for this recipe, you're going to need 7 room temperature eggs, half a cup of vegetable oil, 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of milk, 1 can of pumpkin puree, 1 can of evaporated milk, 1 can of sweet condensed milk, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, 1 tablespoon of pumpkin pie spice, and you're gonna need this super moist spice cake mix. All right, so these are all the ingredients. Let's get started. So first you wanna go ahead and turn your oven to 350 degrees, and you're gonna need some sort of like dish or whatever you want to use, but we're going to be doing a baño Maria. So basically you want to fill it up with hot water. The water is halfway of the bundt cake you're going to be using. So you want to go ahead and stick your pan in the oven with the hot water at 350 degrees while we start making the flan part. And you want to go ahead and sprinkle. You take your napkin and you go up like that. Now this is done. We're gonna set this on the side. We're gonna turn on the oven. You wanna put your 1 cup of sugar in here. We're gonna go ahead and start melting our sugar to make the caramel sauce. So what we wanna do, we wanna go ahead and start melting our sugar, and this is gonna make a nice caramel sauce. This is what the sugar's looking like. So ahí déjenlo, solito se va a derretir. You guys can come and just kind of give it a quick like stir, but just let it do its thing. Okay, solito se va a derretir el azúcar. It's all done. Okay, so you take your caramel sauce, and you're gonna pour it in your one pan. Okay, so this is what it's gonna look like. You just take it, set it over here for now, and now we're gonna go ahead and start mixing our flan part. So to this, we're gonna start adding our 4 eggs. Okay, you're gonna add 4 eggs. Make sure the eggs are room temperature. Now we're gonna go ahead and add our pumpkin. We added our pumpkin. Whisk this together. Now we're gonna add our evaporated milk. And now we're gonna add our lechera. We're gonna add our vanilla. 1, 2. And now we're gonna add 1 tablespoon of pumpkin pie spice. Tablespoon of pumpkin pie spice. And now we're gonna whisk this all together. And as you can see, we only have left the oil, the milk, and the 3 eggs. We're gonna follow the recipe on this, which instead of the cup of water, I add the milk, half a cup of vegetable oil, and 3 eggs. And then here, you want to whisk it. Smells so good. Smells like Thanksgiving already. Once you get everything incorporated, this is what it looks like. You take your bun pan. You take this. You pour it all over. So this is the flan part. We're gonna go ahead and put this in the oven for 40 minutes. After 40 minutes, we'll start preparing this. Okay, so you wanna put it in here. Se llama baño Maria. Y lo vamos a dejar cocinar 40 minutes. So we'll put it in here and let it cook for 40 minutes. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and do our cake mix and just follow the instructions on the box. Instead of water, I am gonna add milk, and make sure your eggs are room temperature. So we'll start with the eggs. One cup of milk. 1 cup of oil. And we're gonna add the mix. Give it a little quick whisk and start adding the cake mix. There we go. Smells really good. Trying to mix it really good. And now we're gonna open the oven. It's been 40 minutes. Okay, so it's been 40 minutes. We're gonna pull this out. So what I'm gonna do, because it's heavy, I'm gonna pour it out right here. And you wanna pour your mixture all around. You want to make sure you get all of that goodness in there. You don't want to waste anything. And you want to take the aluminum foil and you want to go ahead and spray it. Take it, cover it, and now we're going to put it back in the oven for 40 to 45 minutes. So take it, put it back right here in our baño Maria. Be very careful because remember that water is hot. And then you take it and we're gonna let it cook for about 40 to 45 minutes. Okay, so we took out the aluminum and we wanna make sure you poke it. Comes out clean. Trim off the excess so it looks nice and straight. We're gonna go ahead and take this plate. This is one of my favorite plates. This is from our place. They are so pretty. I love the white. So I'm gonna go ahead and it fits perfect. So you know what? I'm gonna go ahead and flip it myself. Flipped it and wow, take a look at that. Se me chorreó un poquito, pero it's okay, it's okay. No pasa nada, no pasa nada. Mira qué rico se ve. So this is how I like to store my pumpkin flan in the fridge, and then tomorrow we'll be cutting a slice and we'll be adding some pumpkin spice whipped cream. This is from Aldi. It's already been in the fridge overnight. It looks.